Hi guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show to make this island animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So vectors from freepik.com, I will add download link and project file in the description below. So first step, let's select this layer. This is water, and let's change scale. Press S, change scale like this, and move it up. And I want to create new water and new ground with shape layers. Let's go to shape layers and select ellipse tool. Let's hold shift, make one ellipse like this, and click selection tool. Go to stroke, let's change stroke 0, and go to fill. Let's go to here, select eyedropper. Let's select this color, blue color, click OK, and move to down. Okay. Then let's select the shape layer and again Ctrl D. Let's move to here and go to fill. Let's select this eyedropper, select this color, click OK, and change scale like this. Let's move to here and let's select the shape layer 1, change shape layer name water, and select this shape layer ground, and select this water layer, Ctrl D, select ground, move to inside these two water layers and go to click toggle switch mode, change none to alpha matte water 2. Okay, not bad. So in this time, let's select this water and ground, water 2, and water layer and water line. Let's right mouse and press comms, add name, island, and click OK. So select this layer water, let's delete it, and water line, let's see. Okay, let's delete it and go to pen tool. Let's hold shift, make one line like this, click selection tool and click fill. Let's close fill color and change stroke, select white color, change stroke width. Let's see. Okay, change 7 and select the shape layer. Let's change name water line and go to add. Let's select this wiggle path, open wiggle path 1 here, change size like this, and points change smooth. Let's see. Okay, not bad. Then let's select this water line, Ctrl D for duplicate, and move it down. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So select this water line layers and right mouse, press comms, add name again water lines, click OK. Back to island and press S, change scale. Let's move to here. Then let's select this water. Let's Ctrl D, move it up here, and select this water lines, change none to alpha matte. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So let's close this composition and this composition and select this layer T and number layers. Let's move to here. Okay, and let's select layers, right mouse, press comms, add name T, click OK. And in this time, select these layers. Let's go to solo and select pan behind, move the anchor point here, click selection tool and select layer 2. Let's go to solo and move the anchor point again here, click selection tool and unsolo, select layer 3, go to solo, again move the anchor point here, selection tool and unsolo, layer 4, go to solo again, move the anchor point down, click selection tool and layer 5, again make some 1, and finally layer 6, make again some 1. Okay, nice. And select layer T. Let's select anchor point and move to here. Okay, so select these layers. Let's link to layer T and select layer T, press R and let's hold alt click this time icon for open expression and let's write here wiggle 1 8. For done expression, click this empty area. Let's see. Okay, not bad. So let's copy this wiggle expression and select these layers, press R, and let's hold Alt, click this rotation time icon, Ctrl V for paste, and click this empty area for done expression. Let's see. Nice. Let's again hold Alt, click here, Ctrl V, and let's make someone for other layers. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Again, make someone for layer 2 and layer 1. Okay, let's say again. Very nice. So let's close this composition and let's see here. Nice, very nice. And in this time, let's go to shape layers and let's make ellipse tool, and let's make here random shape layer, click selection tool and change stroke 0, go to fill and click eyedropper color, let's change to dark green, click OK, and let's Ctrl D for duplicate, make random layers, foreground. Okay, so select all these layers, right mouse, precoms, add name, ground, objects, click OK, and close composition. Let's see. Okay, very nice. Let's select these layer clothes. Let's select this cloth 2 and cloth 1, press P, make new patching keyframe and go to 5 seconds or go to 10 seconds. Let's move to left this cloth and move to right this cloth. Let's see. Okay, very nice. And let's make sun animation. Select this sun line and go to add, go to select trim paths, open trim paths here and change end 0, make end keyframe and go to 10 keyframe, change end 100 and go to here, and in this time make start keyframe, go to here, change start 100, select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, nice. So let's close here and select sun line, press U and go to last keyframe and go to edit, split layer or Ctrl Shift D and delete layer. And in this time let's go to here and Ctrl D, move to right. Okay, and move to right this layer. Again Ctrl D, move to right this layer, move to here and Ctrl D, move to here. Let's press R, change rotation like this and move to here. Let's make random. Let's see. Okay, select this layer, press R, change rotation. Okay, let's move to left. Nice. So let's select these sun lines, right mouse, precoms, add name, sun lines, click OK. And back to island, let's Ctrl D, move to right, for loop and endless animation. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.